How to create viral AI videos that stop the scroll. These viral ads were made 100% with AI. No camera, no actors, no crew. Want to see how I make viral AI videos that brands are using to explode their sales without spending thousands on production? Most brands still waste $10,000 to $100,000 on commercials no one watches. Most businesses don't realize that you can now create cinematic, scroll-stopping videos entirely with AI tools. Step 1. How to write a viral concept using AI. It starts with a viral idea. Think emotional, curiosity, funny, or pain point driven. Funny makes them laugh. Emotional and curiosity makes them feel, and pain point makes them nod in frustration. The key to viral video success is your first 3 seconds. That's where you hook emotions, humor, or pain. Once we hook them, then we tie it back to your product or service. Here's my secret formula. The viral AI video secret formula. First, hook people's attention with humor, pain, or emotions. That's curiosity, surprise, shock. Number 2, dial up those emotions with facial reactions, movement and action, and quick edits. The kids' TV show CoComelon is widely cited as addictive for young children because of how fast the scenes change. On average, it's 2 to 3 seconds per scene, so quick edits. Number 3, ask or imply a question around a pain point your product or service solves. 4, answer that question with your product or service as the solution. And finally, number 5, finish with a clear call to action. For example, get a free custom hat mockup at Carity.com. So let's use AI to generate ad ideas built to grab attention instantly. AI writes better when it understands your target audience. So share what you're selling and who it's for. A bad example, write a video about protein snacks. Be specific when you prompt these AIs. So a good example, write 10 viral, funny TikTok ad ideas for Chomps Meat Sticks targeting gym goers who hate fake ingredients. The goal is to show how real ingredients equal real gains. So type this prompt into the Ask Anything field on chatgpt.com and press enter. So as you can see, it outputs ideas and breaks them down by hook, concept, punchline, tagline. Review these ideas, pick a winner, and refine it to your liking and to your brand. So now that we have that winning idea, it's time to build a script for our AI video. Be as specific as possible with your prompt. Include every detail, timing, your output requirements, and the final idea you want to base the script around. So for this one, we'll use those same details and include our favorite idea, but finish it with format with scene directions and dialogue, which we'll be using in the AI commercial. So we ended up creating a hangry grandma ad for Chomps that went viral with 21,000 plus views in the first day. So step 2, how to generate your AI video. So we'll bring it to life using Sora by OpenAI or Flow by Google. These are AI video generators that turn my script into a real video scene in seconds. So these AI tools can create user-generated content or UGC videos, those are talking head videos, product shot videos, cinematic stories that truly look like a movie, and really anything you can imagine. So take down these URLs for creating your AI videos. For this example, I'm going to generate a basic AI video ad I will use for split testing creatives in my Facebook and Instagram ads for our client, Carity.com. So you can take a screenshot of this and see those specific details I include to generate the perfect AI video with my exact details. So first, we're in Sora by OpenAI. At the bottom of this screen, once you're signed in with your free ChatGPT account, paste your prompt into that describe your video field. And then below that field, you can see the things you can edit, such as the aspect ratio, the duration, how many outputs. Once you're ready, press enter. All your AI creations will appear in the My Media menu in that left sidebar. Next, Flow by Google. So again, in the text to video field, you'll paste in your prompt and then click that settings button at the top right of that field and select your aspect ratio, how many outputs, what model you want to use. For example, VO3 Fast is the cheapest. Once ready, we'll hit enter, and here's a screenshot of our output. Viral, affordable AI content. What would normally be a few $1,000s in booking a venue, an actress, film crew, is now a fraction of the cost and created in seconds. Every business owner knows they should be marketing and posting on social media daily, but most don't have the time, team, or creative ideas to keep up. That's where we come in. We use AI to produce scroll-stopping videos every month for you. Our content is designed to convert, not just collect dust in your drafts. Every post becomes a micro ad where we test hooks, visuals, call to actions until we discover what goes viral and actually drives new customers for your brand. Would you like a free viral AI video for your brand? Go to onebvp.com and claim your free viral video now. Let's make your business the one everyone's talking about.